CRM is a philosophy and a business strategy supported by a system and a technology designed to improve human interactions in a business environment. So basically CRM improves the interaction with the customers, which is very important for the business for its success. Why use CRM? Why companies use CRM? It ensures that customers are given the right treatment and that the right products are targeted at the right customers at the right time. So customer relationship management helps the organization to give them the right treatment at the right, with the right products and at the right time, which is very, very important for the company. Then key functions of CRM. The key functions of CRM are, first one is identify factors important to clients. So first the organization who is adopting CRM philosophy should identify what are the factors that are important to clients. For example, different clients are having different mindsets regarding the product. Some people will prefer quality, they will see quality in the product, they will give first preference to quality of the product. Some people will give service, whether the company is providing on-time delivery or not. Different consumers expect different things from the company which is adopting CRM. Second one is promote a customer-oriented philosophy. The company should adopt a customer-oriented philosophy. It means that whatever the objectives or decisions the company takes, whatever the strategies the company takes, it has to keep into mind the customer. How the objective or strategy adopted by the company benefits the customer. In what way it benefits? If the company is adopting a particular pricing strategy, how it will benefit the customer? Whether it increases the price of the product or what? The next one is adopt customer-based measures. The companies, those who are adopting the CRM, they have to adopt customer-based measures like value addition to the product. They should update the product regularly to meet the customer requirements. Then develop end-to-end process to serve the customers. The company should see at the end whether the customers are satisfied, delighted or not. Most of the companies, after selling the product, they will not think beyond that. So the company should think whether the customer is really satisfied with the product or not. Why? Because customer is treated as God. The expansion of God, obviously everybody knows, is generator, operator, destroyer. The full form of God is generator, operator and destroyer. Customer is the generator of the market, he is the operator, and if he dislikes the product, he will destroy the market at any time. Then provide successful customer support. This is very important for those companies, those who are adopting CRM, that they have to provide a successful customer support systems. So obviously we are seeing nowadays in every company, the customer support people, they are very polite in nature, they are smiling, they are looking after each and every aspect of the customer, whether they are satisfied or not. Then handling customer complaints is very tricky one for the companies nowadays. Why? Because most of the companies, they didn't know how to tackle the customer's complaints in an effective manner. Then next one is track all aspects of sales. So most of the companies, they will focus only on certain aspects of sales, but the customer relationship management philosophy or concept focuses that the company should track, keep record of all aspects of sales, from prospecting to the feedback or after sale. The next one is how does CRM facilitates the marketing function, which is very important. As CRM is one of the biggest tool of marketing, how it assists and facilitate the marketing function. The first one is it collects the required customer data and present it to the marketing department.